Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. I'm Liana Batrisha, your host for today's edition of Buletin Che'gu. As we turn the page in May, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant spirit of co-ed throughout this past month. From meaningful forums and skill-building workshops to uplifting celebrations, our campus has truly been alive with activity. So, without further ado, let's dive into the highlights. To begin with, on 3rd May, we witnessed a heartfelt session titled Heart to Heart Sharing Session organized by Aisa, delivered by Ustazah Iman Najihah. The program offered profound insights on living confidently and in line with Islamic principles. It was a truly touching evening at Lecture Theatre 1. Following that, on 8th May, BEST held the special edition of Bukan Kosong, Now or Never in collaboration with KWSP. Students gathered at Edu Square to learn about the Aisaraan scheme and gain valuable tips on financial planning. The booth, free coffee, and exciting lucky draw made the experience even more memorable. Moving on to 9th May, the day was packed with not one but 3 incredible events. In the morning, Design It Right by BEST equipped students with professional design tips from Dr. Aizat, helping them elevate their posters and slides with confidence. Later in the afternoon, CSA organized the impactful forum Life Odyssey, Family Conflict and Campus Struggles. Through opening and empathetic discussions, students explored real challenges and found strength in shared stories. As the day came to a close, Aisa hosted the self-defense workshop where Ustaz Muhammad Adli, a 4th Dan black belt, taught essential techniques to protect oneself and boost confidence. It was truly empowering. Next, on the calendar from 12th to 15th May, we celebrated Arabic Week 2025, proudly organized by Ayat, featuring the opening ceremony and forum, Future of Arabic Teachers, Mu'allik Arabi and the Arabic Spelling Bee. In parallel, on 13th May, CSA once again stepped forward with the seminar Burn Bright Not Out, a wellness guide for counseling students. This event helped raise awareness on burnout, offering practical strategies to maintain emotional and academic balance. Then, on 16th May, Tesla led TESA 5.0, an outreach program involving students from SMK Gavar Baba, held at co-ed. The program fostered connection, learning, and community engagement. On the following day, 17th May, Aisa held first aid training with Dr. Aidawati. Participants walked away with life-saving knowledge that every future Murabbi should know. Truly an essential skill. The momentum continued on 18th May with mosque hopping, strengthening faith, spreading kindness by BEST. The spiritual tour brought students to 3 iconic mosques, Masjid Negara, Masjid Putra, and Masjid Besi, fostering reflection and kindness. Subsequently, on 19th May, CSA hosted the powerful forum and workshop, Strength in Struggles, Coping with Challenges Every Day, with a focus on suicide awareness and MHPSS modules by KPM. The event empowered participants with vital knowledge to support others in crisis. Towards the end of the month, on 24th May, Aisa conducted Tajahiz Janazah 2.0, a hands-on training session in preparing the deceased. As an important fardu kifayah, the program served both as a religious duty and a spiritual reminder. To round off the month, 30th May featured 3 final programs: Fit Together, Badminton, Step into Wellness by Tesla, the webinar Assessment in Counseling 2025 by CSA, and Fill Up Your Mind by Aisa, each contributing to a strong and spirited conclusion to May. In summary, May has been an inspiring month made possible by the collective efforts of our student councils, Aisa, BEST, CSA, Ayat, and Tesla. Each program left an impact and each moment brought us closer as a community. Thank you for tuning in to Buletin Che'gu. I'm Liana Batrisha from Chegu TV, reminding you that great teachers inspire.